In this video, I'll show you how to use the application control capabilities within Internet Access. This lets you control which users or groups have access to specific applications. First, go to Internet Access, then Access Policy. Note that this is the same area where you can define URL filtering rules. No need to toggle between screens to find different menus. While URL filtering rules control access to specific URLs, application control is more encompassing, particularly for non-browser traffic, or when you're concerned about non-sanctioned applications. Select Add New Rule and enter the rule's name. Choose the applicable users or groups. By default, the rule will include everybody. And then select the apps from the drop-down menu. Internet Access has more than 10,000 pre-built applications. And you can use the search tool to quickly find your application. Once you've found your application, select either Drop, Accept, or Warn, and then you can enable logging if you prefer. And that's it. Now you'll have control over the application traffic. Thanks for watching.